Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy. Thanks for tuning in today. Do you have issues removing severely rusted or damaged fasteners? Well, stay tuned because I have a possible solution for you. Well, Gearwrench has a possible solution for you. Check it out. Let me introduce to you bolt biter sockets. And yes, these things have become very useful in the shop over the past few months. Gearwrench sent me these a while back to try out, and I have been trying them out, and they have worked. Here's some of the things that they've worked on. Extremely rusted fasteners. Now, I had to add a little bit of heat in these situations, but instead of hammering on an old socket that was a little too small and hoping for the best, I used these bolt biter sockets and they got me out of that jam. But you don't always need to use heat. Sometimes I'm able to just use a little bit of penetrating oil and one of the bolt biter sockets, and even if the fastener is pretty much rounded off and gone away, I've been able to find a size bolt biter socket to get onto it and run it out of there. As I said, these things have been very, very useful to me since they showed up at the shop not long ago. Now, bolt biter sockets come in a variety of sizes, including 1/2 inch. Now, I haven't had the chance to use these yet, but I think they can more clearly illustrate the socket design here. You can see they have these little ridges on them that bite into whatever's left of a fastener. And when I say that, I mean it. I've taken things out that are just rounded off nothing with these sockets. I like the fact that they're impact sockets. Especially when I'm dealing with rusty fasteners, I really like to use an impact. I find that vibration helps break things loose a lot easier. So it's nice that these are impact sockets and I'm not wrecking a chrome socket in this instance. Plus, I actually think this might bite in a little better, it being an impact socket over something that might have been chrome. Now, I've been using these for a few months now, but I only have one complaint, and it's really a very super minor complaint. You might notice that this does not have that orange ring around the outside. That went flying off one day. So if you want symmetry in your tools, well, that might not last as long, but that's literally the only complaint that I can offer, and it doesn't affect the way the socket works at all. So the next time you're on the hunt for something that can help you with rusted or damaged fasteners, check out bolt biter sockets. They've been working just fine for me for months now, and I'm very happy with the results that I've had with them. I'll put links to them down in the description to make them easier for you to find. Big thanks to Gearwrench for sponsoring this video and helping me bring these wonderful sockets to your attention. If you have automotive questions, EricTheCarGuy.com, linked in the description with that additional information that I mentioned. Thank you so much for watching today. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty, and I'll see you next time.